So hi guys, I'm making chicken tortilla meat. So I'm using chicken tender guys, whatever kind of chicken you guys have. So anyway, so I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese and parmesan cheese. So what I will do first is, so I have the tortilla. I'm using the zero net carbs. I'm gonna spray this with olive oil. If you don't want olive oil, you can use butter, milk butter. So we'll flavor the tortilla, so when you eat it, it's more tasty. And then I will sprinkle a little bit, like sprinkle some garlic, so it's gonna be more tasty. Just like that. And then Italian seasoning. If you have parsley, you can use that. And then I will put the Parmesan cheese in the bottom. The more cheese is the more goodness. And here's the chicken tenders to arrange it. Just easy making. That should be enough. And then we're gonna top it with the mozzarella cheese. Then sprinkle again that Italian seasoning on top. And then bake it in 350, and we're just gonna melt the cheese, guys. So here we go, guys. 350. We're gonna melt the cheese. So now here we go, guys. Our chicken tortilla melt is done and smells so good, guys. Yum. 375, guys.